non-Newtonian fluid, and it's called a liquid. We're going to show you how to make non-Newtonian fluid. It's simple. Yeah, you just need water and cornstarch and some colors, right? And you need food coloring if you want to change color. And did you know that sometimes it can be solid when you add pressure and a liquid when you stop adding pressure? Yeah, see? When I stop adding pressure of my bowl, it disappears. But when the bowls are still here, because